Good morning, Georgians. Welcome to online class. Last lesson, Internet services. First of all, introduction. The Internet is a global network connecting millions of computers. Internet is a fast and economic medium of communication. Internet is a large, you can say, reservoir of information on countless topics contributes by people throughout the world. With the help of internet, one can send or receive message from one computer to another computer within few seconds. In this chapter, we will discuss how to find information and people on the internet. We will also discuss various other services such as chatting, news group, email, video conferencing, and e-commerce. Now, we all are already familiar with many of the topics. For example, chatting. We all are using mobile phones, WhatsApp, Twitter, different chatting accounts. News group, emails you all are sending, right? You click pictures and you send your projects to your respective subject teacher. Even video conferencing, WhatsApp video calling you people are doing. E-commerce, very commonly we people are buying different products, different things from different website through online. So that is called e-commerce. So we are familiar, knowingly or unknowingly, we are using internet. So we all are familiar with these topics. Social networking sites, grouping of individuals into specific group, for example, who share ideas, activities, photos, messages, and videos are basically known as social networking, right? So we all share different things with the help of WhatsApp, for example, photos, videos, audios, voice recording, right? And sometimes live video calling also we are doing. So we are using social networking site. In social networking websites, every user has a profile. Now even we, when we are using WhatsApp, you must have seen, even we have a profile, correct? Same way, different Facebook account, or you can say Twitter account, we have a profile. It profile picture is there, our details is given there. Okay, sometimes many people put extra information about their different extra co-curricular activities, the pictures, what they have achieved, all that things you are uploading as your profile. Okay, so in social networking website, every user has a profile which contain information about them. Other people can also be invited by the user to join this website. Facebook and linked in are some of the popular examples of networking sites. So we all know that which networking sites very regular and common we people are using it. Then we are going to see what is OneDrive. Okay, OneDrive, Internet Forum, Twitter, and micro, you can say blogging, cloud, you can say computing, searching on the internet, education through internet, saving the information available on the internet, communication on the internet, and e-commerce. So these are the topics which are going to be covered in this particular lesson. I'm not explaining all in detail, but little information I will be giving you because I'm going to connect a link after this. You can say my lecture recording, I'm going to share a link with you, so you will have some detailed information about all this topic. Okay, now OneDrive, as we all know, a free online storage facility offered by Microsoft, is known as OneDrive. Previously, OneDrive was known as SkyDrive or Window Live SkyDrive. Okay, OneDrive offers users a simple way to store, or you can say share, all kind of file with one another, you can say, and devices on the web. Okay, So this, you can say, it has been officially renamed by SkyDrive to OneDrive in February 2014. Date is not given, month and year is given. So it is February 2014 when SkyDrive has changed the name to OneDrive. Next one, Internet Forum. Now, Internet Forum, or you can say message board, is an online discussion site where people can hold conversation into the form of posted messages. It is a system that allows user to send, read, and reply to message on a particular subject in, you can say, real time. To become a member of the forum, a user is required to register into a particular website. Forum is different from chat room. In a chat room, people usually chat at the same time, whereas in a forum, members in a discussion group post messages that can be read by other members whenever they log in. So this was about the internet forum. Twitter and microblogging. Microblogging is a new form of communication in which user can describe their status in short post distributed by small messages, mobile phone, digital audio, or web. Twitter allows user to send and receive the text based messages known as tweets. Twitters have, you can say, achieved worldwide popularity and has become the top 10 most visited website on the internet. Twitter accounts, we all are familiar, right? Even our big politicians, celebrities, all are just using this Twitter account, and they keep on updating what is new happening. Maybe a new film, or they are sick, all that details have been shared in Twitter account. So we come to know. Next one is the cloud computing, a set of hardware, network, storage, interface, and services which combine together to deliver different aspects of computing as a service over a network or internet is known as cloud. Cloud computing and storage solution provide user and enterprises with various capability to store and process their data in third-party data center. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management, that is also called as CRM, all run in cloud. Cloud computing promises several attractive benefits for businesses and end users. Cloud computing refers to the manipulating, configuring, and accessing the applications online. Next one, searching on the internet. The most important and interesting feature of the internet is searching with the help of internet. One can get knowledge and can become aware of happening. You can get information through internet of your own choice. It can be either you're finding people's, or you can say by different, you can say finding information through URL, Google, or different mode. You can just find out information. Nowadays you can see news is highlighted. You just type news and you get different information what is happening all over the world. Okay. Next one, you can see the education through internet. Nowadays we all are familiar, right? Online education system, whether it is school, colleges, classes, everywhere we are using internet. So one best example, education through internet. Then saving the information available on the internet. Okay, so you can save the information. For example, you open Wikipedia, or you open a different website, you can just select everything from whatever content you want. Control A is a shortcut key, and then finally open any Word file, or you can make a PDF file and you can save the information. Even images can be collected when you are making projects. Even images can be saved and you can use it and make your document attractive. Okay. Next one is communication on the internet. Now chatting, best example, it can be WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, right? You can chat. Email, even emails you can send to each other and you can save your time. There are certain advantages of using internet. Okay, high speed, reliability, low cost. Okay, video conferencing is there, and you can make different groups and you can make the use of internet. Last is the e-commerce. Now e-commerce, we all know that whatever online products or different advertisement you see and you buy things online, okay, whether it is Amazon, Flipkart, Shopclose, different websites are there. We are doing different transactions. For example, there can be few categories you can say in e-commerce. First one is business to government, that is B2G. Second one is business to customer, that is B2C. Third one is customer to customer, that is C2C. And the last one is the business to business, that is B2B. Now, these are three or four categories I have told you where you can use e-commerce. Business to government, different community interacts electronically with the government agencies or public sector organization. Submission of VAT return, income tax, etc. all comes in this category. So many are filing income tax return, VAT return, all that things you are doing online. So we are using internet. Then business to customer, the products or services are sold from a firm to a customer. Okay, customer to customer, customer sell goods and customer to the service to the other customer. For example, purchasing of a car, different websites are there nowadays. You can directly see if you are interested to buy a car, furniture, or any other, you can say mobile phone or anything. Then customer to customer, business to business, the seller and the buyer are the two companies. Okay, so you can say two companies are dealing with each other with the help of internet online. So I have explained you each and every topic in a proper way with the help of your textbook. Still I'm attaching one link, you can see that also. I have completed with my portion notes, I will be uploading in next 2 days. You have to complete it, be ready, so that you have to click pictures of your balance lessons and you have to submit to my email ID that I will be uploading very soon. Okay, so the portion for this term is completed. Okay, stay home, be safe.